So gentlemen, it has been said before, and if you haven't heard this before, then you better take a notebook and a pen. A well-fitting suit is to women what lingerie is to men. But there's certain mistakes that very many guys make when suiting up that leave you thinking. That is what we'll talk about in today's video. What's up guys, my name is David Ochola. Welcome back to another video. In case you're new here, this is Wardrobe Chronicles, and on this channel, we get to talk about style, grooming, and manners. So if you want to change from being this guy to being this guy, you should consider subscribing today because we post a new video every week and you don't want to miss out. I know in today's video I'm going to be stepping on some toes, but on the positive side, it will help make you a better man without crushing your ego. So the first mistake that many guys make when suiting up or when wearing a suit is not removing the tags. We know it's a designer suit, but you don't have to tell us by leaving the tag there. When you get a brand new suit, the first thing that you should do even before going to the tailor is removing the tags. As much as the tags kind of have the branding and you kind of want people to know, people that matter and those people that really care about the brand that you're wearing will know without having the tag on. But this is not a car. Don't leave that tag hanging on there like a number plate. You want to remove the tag when you get a suit. It will help you look a little more professional. So the first thing you should do is remove the tag. After all, it makes your suit look more classy. The second mistake many guys make when wearing a suit is over-accessorizing. Over-accessorizing often makes you look like you're trying too hard. You don't want to wear too many accessories and you don't want to wear nothing altogether. You should just have a balance in between. If you're going to wear a tie and a pocket square and you're good to go. Maybe a lapel pin once in a while or a lapel flower once in a while. It's up to you, but guys, don't wear too much. When you have too much going on, it often looks like you're trying too hard. It also takes away the elegance the suit has on its own. And the whole point in wearing a suit is the fact that it's a suit, so don't take away any shine from it. And by shine, I don't mean this. Another mistake that I see very many guys making when they wear a suit is carrying a backpack. Whether you're in school or you work, you don't want to carry a backpack when you're wearing a suit. I'd rather you settle for a nice leather sling bag that you can wear across your suit. It will make you look a little more elegant, and besides, when you match the leathers, it will be the cherry on top. So get a nice sling bag or a side bag depending on what you want to call it. A leather one preferably if you want to make that suit look more elegant. Don't settle for backpacks, don't settle for other kind of bags, although a folder can do as an option. Another mistake guys make as far as suits are concerned is wearing them separately. When you wear suits separately, it kind of washes out one more than the other. When you wear the pants with another jacket, for example, or you wear the jacket with another pair of pants, they will kind of, with time, they will kind of look like they're not the same suit. Your pants will probably be brown and your jacket is still blue, you know? It will make you look really bad. So in my opinion, I'd advise that you wear them together and keep it that way. When you take them to the laundry, take them together so that one does not wear out faster than the other. Another mistake I see very many guys making is wearing a suit that has bad fit. I talked about this in my previous video. I'll have it somewhere up here so that you can check it out and find out how a suit should fit. So you should not wear an ill-fitting suit. And the last mistake that very many guys make when wearing a suit is lacking confidence. You're probably dressed in a really nice suit that fits well and is looking good, but your confidence is something else altogether. When you wear a suit, there's that feeling that it's as if you're breathing flavored oxygen. If you know what I mean. So when you wear a suit, be sure to be confident and walk confidently because you are awesome. And that, gentlemen, brings me to the end of today's video. If you like this video, be sure to drop us a like down below. Thank you so much for watching. A well-fitting suit is to women what lingerie